Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mrs.
Lavanya.
Lavanya. So you're the author of
Ingress.
Ingress, right, ma'am? How is it visiting the world's largest book fair? First of all,
It's pretty amazing because I have always wanted to visit this place since I've ever started to,
this is your first time at the World Book
This is
Fair?
my first
It's my
time.
first time as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it so happened that we have shifted to Delhi.
Right.
So coincidentally, everything
Right, that
fell into
fits,
place,
yeah.
and so this is my
Right.
first time.
What is one thing that you think about your book is unique in its theme or its genre?
When I started writing, I didn't want to go behind the plots as
Right.
such because I wanted to. I feel the more the characters, the more superficial the story is.
Right.
So I wanted to go in depth.
What are some of the biggest challenges you faced while you were writing this?
Actually, began with a novel, but I realized that writing short stories can be a great learning experience.
Right.
So I had to go back to relearn, and I wrote a lot of short stories, picked up on themes which I saw in people around me.
Right.
So picking on that, and that adds a seed and grow. That one seed will be there in your mind, and then
Yeah.
you build upon it and add more elements to it and layers to it. So that gave me a lot of learning experience. That's why
Right.
I went ahead with the short story.
What is one piece of advice you would give to budding authors?
I think just write and rewrite and rather than rushing into things. And I believe if you mix art and business, I think the art gets lost somewhere. So
Right.
just rather than going for the business part of it, I think one should just write because it gives them joy. It's worth it, then it will succeed automatically.
Right, that's very good advice, ma'am.
Yeah,
thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you
us.
so much, yeah.
Please have a good experience at the book.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thanks. Bye bye.